I usually get way too warm in the evenings, especially sitting in the living room during the summer. So we decided to try this 16,000 BTU portable air conditioner, and I've actually been really impressed with it. The first thing I noticed was how quickly it cools the room. Within a short time, the living room went from feeling hot and stuffy to genuinely comfortable. Since it's designed for spaces up to 750 square feet, it has no problem keeping larger areas cool. What I love most is the sleep mode. At night, I don't want a loud machine running in the background, and this one is surprisingly quiet. It's rated around 42 decibels in sleep mode, so it's soft enough that we can watch TV, read, or sleep without hearing constant noise. You can even turn the display lights off so the room stays dark and relaxing. I also like how easy it is to control. You can use the remote, the touch panel, or even your phone with the Wi-Fi app. Sometimes I'll turn it on before coming downstairs so the room is already cool when I get there. Another nice feature is the different modes. Some days we just use the fan setting for airflow, and other days the dehumidifier helps a lot when the air feels humid and heavy. It's nice having multiple functions built into one machine instead of needing separate appliances everywhere. The wheels and handles also make it really convenient. If we want extra cooling in another room, we can just roll it to where we need it. Overall, this has been a really practical solution for staying comfortable during the summer without permanently installing a window unit. It cools well, runs quietly, and has a lot of features that make everyday use really easy.